Hey guys, today I have a collective haul for you. It's honestly majority candles, but either way I thought it would be fun, so I'm going to show you. So the first thing that I got was some pajama pants from Peter Alexander. These are the Grimace pajama pants because I am absolutely obsessed. One thing about me is that I am a little bit weird, and when the whole Grimace shake thing was going down, like if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you're gonna think I'm crazy. But like the Grimace shake trend, and then on TikTok, and then it came out that like Grimace was really sad because he just wanted people to enjoy his birthday, and then they were all getting sick of his shake, and the photos of Grimace as a little baby and with his mum and at his birthday parties, like it really it tugged something on my heartstrings, and I have fallen in love with Grimace. So when I saw that Peter Alexander coming out with a McDonald's collection, I absolutely had to buy these Grimace pants. And fun fact, my nephew, who is 7, is also obsessed with Grimace, so I think that says a little bit about me, but I am obsessed with him, and I just thought they was the cutest things in the world. They're still in the packaging, and I've had them for like 3 weeks because I'm too scared to get them out of the packaging and wear them because I don't want to ruin them. Like, I want to hang them on the wall because they're so cute. But anyway, I got those, and then because I love Grimace, Cade got me something. He surprised me with this a couple of weeks ago, and I'll show you. He got me a Grimace pop vinyl, which is the sweetest thing in the world. I came home after a really hard day at work. I was doing overtime and I got home at like 8 p.m. or something, I think. So it was a really long day and I was just tired, and he showed me this, and it was just like I wanted to cry. I think I almost did a little bit, like I was tearing up because it was just the sweetest thing. And a couple of days before that, I actually bought myself the birthday Ronald McDonald pop because I just thought he was the cutest thing in the world. So these are my 2 new pop vinyls to add to my collection, and I'm obsessed. The next thing that I got was the Barbie candle, and I was super late to the party on this. This is from Glass House, and by the time I decided I wanted it, everywhere was sold out except for David Jones, so I think I ended up paying like $70 for it. But this is how it looks here, the packaging, and this honestly smells so incredible. Like, I don't think I'm prepared to pay $70 for another candle, but I kind of want to because this smells so good and I never want to run out of it. So this is how it looks here. It's super cute, and she's got all the little Barbies on it. The fragrance is, it's called Dream House, and the fragrance is Strawberry and Dream. But honestly, this smells so incredible. If you see this candle near you, like in store or something, please go and smell it. Oh, it just smells so, like, it's super strawberry but also like super sweet, and I just am obsessed with it. And I low-key really want to go and buy another one, but I think Cade might get a little bit angry, especially considering how many other candles we have in this video. So I went out birthday shopping for Cade, and while I was out birthday shopping for him, I went into Dusk, which was a big mistake. Actually, first I went to Zing to buy him some of his birthday presents, and they had this Simpsons frame for $10 when he spent $30, so you know I had to buy it. So that's how it looks there. It's super cute. I'm gonna need to put a photo in it and sit it up with my other Simpsons things, but I couldn't pass it up. $10, and I love the Simpsons, so I probably would have paid $25 for it. Then I also went to Dusk and got these 2 candles. So the first one that I got was called Feeling Lit, and this one is strawberry and chantilly cream. And I think this actually smells quite similar to the Barbie candle, to be honest. Let me have another sniff of it. Yeah, it does. Oh, there you go. I don't even need to buy another Barbie one. They're not like, they're not identical, but they do smell very similar. This one smells a bit like fresher rather than the sweeter. But anyway, that's the glass there. It's super, super cute and just says Feeling Lit on the front of it. And then the other one that I got was called Peach Please, and it's matcha and coconut milk. I'm a little bit confused. Why is it called Peach Please if it doesn't even have... Oh no, sorry. It says, fan your fire and embrace your sassy side with this sweet blend of matcha whisked with coconut milk. Freshly picked peach and sweet musk make the perfect uplifting combo to match your energy. Okay. And this one's so pretty. It's this beautiful green colour, and it just says Peach Please on the front. And it does smell really, really good. There's like the subtlest hint of peach in there, but it smells amazing. Oh my god, my camera's gonna die. Okay, I need to go charge my camera, and then we will finish this video. Okay, my camera is charged, and we are back. Okay. Where do we leave off? This candle. It's super pretty. It smells really nice. It's super like fresh smelling. There's like the tiniest little hint of peach in it, but yeah, very, very nice. Hi. Hi, baby. Tilly's at the window. Okay. And then we just have 4 more candles. So I finally became a dusk member. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, but anyway, I'm a dusk member now. So the first thing I got was this turbo lighter. Normally they ask me every time I'm there, they're like, do you want to buy a turbo lighter because it's only $10 with your purchase? And I'm always like, nah, it's all good. But I realised I actually do need one of these because I have a few Bath and Body Works candles. Like, this is a bad example, but like the one that I'm burning at the moment, for example, over there, you can't see it, but it's like tall and skinny, so I can't fit my regular lighter in there. So I finally bought one of these. I still don't really, okay, you use it like that. So yeah, I thought, you know what, I need one, I'm gonna do it. So I bought one, and then I bought their whole new collection because I'm insane. This is the Strawberry Daiquiri. So this is part of the Island Romance collection, I think. Oh, and this is also why I bought one of these, one of the lighters, because these are tall. But anyway, so I got a Strawberry Daiquiri candle. And these just look so beautiful, and I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even think I smelt them all. I think I just grabbed them all and I was like, yep, give them here. Are they not the prettiest things you've ever seen? Like, I just love the little pattern on them, and I just feel like they look so pretty. And these are 80-hour candles apparently. So this is Strawberry Daiquiri, and it smells really good. Kind of reminds me of like a lip smacker or something, like just something really nice. Then we got the Plum Negroni. I think I said that wrong. Negroni. I don't know. But anyway, I got this one. And this one is so pretty too. It's like purple. And this one smells really, really nice. It smells like super fruity, but also really, really sweet. Then we got a strawberry mimosa. No, sorry. A starfruit mimosa. Sorry. I need some, I have so many like wintry, autumny kind of, those kind of scents, like warm scents, and I need some fresh ones, so that's why I got these. So this is a starfruit mimosa. These are all really subtle as well, by the way, like they're not super overpowering, but I don't know what that smells like, but it's good. I don't know, but I like it. And then the last one I got is a pina colada. I just feel like these look so pretty together. Like, I don't know. I just think they're really, really sweet. This one I can smell straight away as soon as I open the box. So that's how the little pina colada looks, and it's so pretty. And this smells like the most pina colada-y thing that you could imagine. It smells very much how you would imagine pina colada, something pina colada scented to smell. And I love it. So that was my collective haul, which was basically a candle haul, let's be real. I don't think there's anything else I've gotten recently. We are saving, we are living on our own, we are living paycheck to paycheck these days, so yeah, my spending has had to go down a little bit, but I do have some things that I really want to buy. Halloween and Christmas are coming up soon, and I am a sucker for like holiday collections, so I am planning to buy some things in those times. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, I do have Patreon if you want to head over there and watch some videos that are exclusive to Patreon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.